In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find keywords using Ubersuggest. Whether you're an aspiring blogger, a small business owner, or an SEO enthusiast, keyword research is a fundamental step in driving more traffic to your content. So let's break it down into manageable steps that will guide you through the process effectively. First, you'll want to head over to Ubersuggest. Visit the website at neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. Once there, you'll see an option to sign up or log in. You'll need a free account to access the full range of features Ubersuggest offers. You can easily create this account using your Google credentials or your email address, whichever you prefer. This step is key, as having an account means you can save your work and revisit your research anytime. With the account set up, it's time to dive into keyword research. In the search bar at the top of Ubersuggest's homepage, type in your main topic or keyword idea. This could be anything relevant to your niche, like digital marketing, healthy recipes, or best phones. It's important to select your target audience's country or language to get the most accurate data, so choose your location from the drop-down menu. Then hit search. Once the search is complete, you'll be taken to the keyword overview. Here, you'll see vital information about your keyword. This overview includes the search volume, which tells you how many people search for this keyword each month. You'll also find the SEO difficulty, which indicates how challenging it will be to rank for this keyword. A lower number here is better, making it easier for you to get noticed. Additionally, you'll see the cost per click, which can give insight into its value in advertising. Finally, observe the trend graph to see if interest in this keyword is rising or falling. As a tip, focus on keywords with lower difficulty scores, preferably under 40, and those with steady or rising trends. Next, explore the Keyword Ideas section found in the menu on the left. This is where you can find related keywords, questions, prepositions, and comparisons. These options will provide more long-tail keywords which can be easier to rank for due to their specific nature. This strategy can greatly aid in refining your content to match what users are searching for. After gathering potential keywords, it's time to refine your list. Utilize the filters at the top of your results page. Set parameters to find keywords with a maximum SEO difficulty, say under 40, and ensure they have a minimum search volume, perhaps above 100. Don't forget to exclude any unrelated terms to keep your list focused and relevant. Finally, organize your selected keywords. Ubersuggest allows you to save keywords by clicking the save icon, or you can copy them into a Google Sheet or Excel for further analysis. Consider grouping keywords by topic, which will be invaluable when planning your content strategy for blogs or SEO pages. And there you have it, a full guide to finding valuable keywords using Ubersuggest. With this method, you can enhance your online presence and connect your content with the right audience.